Well, today again we are here.
We're back.
Yeah, we are back. Live Melody,
Always.
always. And then it's have been a while, but you know, as you know, the coronavirus, everybody's complaining for that.
We're in the season.
Yeah, and everybody taking advantage of that too, if I can say something like that. But first of all, I don't know if about the vaccination, if that is so important, because before all over the world be vaccinated, we have a lot of people. When you think like a whole African continent, if we say this vaccination, that's the most important for the human. So how about Africa? How many countries and how many have got the vaccination there? Because as I see many countries fighting for this vaccination, they don't have it. It's half of the population have, but how about Africa? Might be even Qatar didn't have it. But still, I hope this coronavirus one day it will disappear about it. Then we start thinking something else.
Sure.
But still, me, I believe cleaning hands and then having mask. I think that one always we will continue. Especially, I can think even like a summertime when you have this dust.
Too much down.
Too much dust, yeah, too much damp.
Yeah.
You know, it's good sometimes you have that, you know, for the damp, even if you're not a corona. And then cleaning hand always is good, even after this corona.
True.
So you see, even we have this here, let me start with that first.
Always.
Always. Yeah. This one I believe is very important, cleaning, and this is the disinfection, you know, spray. Alright, so as we say, and welcome today to the, welcome back to the Live Melody show. So I'm here as usual, Philosopher Moses, and then we have G-Town here. Yeah, so now I can present you to my colleague G-Town. So then you can present about the program. What is about the program today?
Thank you very much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we're back in Live Melody show, you know what I mean? It's been a while, you know what I mean? But today's topic we're gonna talk about, you know what I mean? Culture strength, you know what I mean? Our culture strength as a people, you know what I mean? Which is why if we ask ourselves, you know what I mean, our culture strength, you know what I mean, why it's so important, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I feel like most of the time as a culture, you know what I mean, things that we are so good in, you know what I mean, things that benefit us, things that make us so unique, you know what I mean, we never really see that as a favor, you know what I mean, that is our strength, you know what I mean, that we should usually capitalize to be powerful in any society that we are in the world, you know what I mean, even in the diaspora, to get together as a people, you know what I mean, that can benefit us, you know what I mean. We never used to capitalize that strength, you know what I mean. As a, let's say when it comes to music, you know what I mean, we are really powerful in that. We never used to capitalize in that. So outsiders control the business side, which I don't think that is right, you know what I mean. We are the ones who are supposed to control that side, you know what I mean, because why? It's our strength. We are good in that. It's in our blood, you know what I mean. It's like it's in our DNA when it comes to those things, you know what I mean. Why are we not controlling that side too as a business, so we can help our community more when we control that side of business? And so this is my questions, Musa. When it comes to those kind of things like our culture, when you're dealing with our culture, like with our strength, you know what I mean, things that we as a people, Africans, you know what I mean, we are so good in, you know, naturally. Why is it that we are not capitalizing on it to control it in a way that it can benefit us more as a people?
Well, that one is a good question, but I don't know if it's a simple answer can be. It's a good question, but not a simple answer.
Yeah, because I feel like that it makes us. It's a thing that is like it's our it's our natural, and it's what makes us unique. But at the same time, too, we don't seem to like, take it more seriously. Like when we are in other diaspora countries, to say anytime we are in a society that is not our own, but that's what makes us unique. That's what's gonna make us come together. And that's what's going to make us at least develop something for our own community.
Yeah, exactly. So I was very close to, not my big answer, but it's like my first answer is that it's a very good question and to think about. But I said it's not a simple answer. It's there. Because first of all, when as we say diaspora, and that means we are from other continent, if you can say from Africa, and come to different country in the world, Europe, if you can call, or Babylon, as I used to say.
Babylon.
Yeah. So, but still, then you can see. We are in somebody's country, but maybe you can maybe simplify a little bit when we are talking about this culture straight, because always I used to think when you say diaspora, but I used to think about U.S., America, when we're thinking about the black American in America, and what make America is the black people have been supporting a lot to make America America. Even they used to say America to be great, but we support a lot when it comes from the black American. How? Because of, as you say, they have been supporting through many things. When it comes for action, film, dance, this cultural, music, stories,
True.
And all this, the black American have been supporting a lot. And then from there, the American white people have been earning money on the black American, because I think in other part is there you are talking about. Because if I understood you very well, is that why then many of these, when we come in the music side, example, artists and all this, why is always the company who producing and all this, producing the music and all this is the white companies.
Exactly.
And that means the artist is just there to act.
Exactly.
And then the money, the white, the company which is on of the white people, they owning the money. Then you get in a piece of check.
A check, yeah.
So just to take this one and you go help yourself to survive on that. I think is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, I mean, this is like what is like is disturbing and really disturbing, because like when things is that is our talent, you know what I mean? I mean, for me, it's not. I don't want to say just we are talent, you know what I mean? It's in our DNA, but why can't we control it? This is my question, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To help our community, we should be controlling things like that. This, I feel, is the question.
So that, yeah. Oh, sorry, maybe I...
No.
Okay. So that why we don't help ourselves, myself, as I said, is very, it's not so easy, simple to answer, because maybe I will answer my own opinion, what I think, but maybe the things doesn't go exactly in that way. But my own opinion, what I have see and hearing and so on, just because of still, when I say the other diaspora, like, you know, other maybe black people in other country, which is not in America, we say maybe in France, England, you know, and the Scandinavian country also, see Europe, like we say Denmark, Sweden, and then Finland, Norway, and so on, other country. So I think that one, just because of, you know, lack of, you know, uniting, I think that making that we cannot be able to open our own, if still we are talking about the music side, and then artists and whatever, if we're talking about that side, is that we couldn't be able to unite, be together, so that we can, you know, create our own, we say, music produce company. So that means we couldn't be able to create that for ourselves. So why I specific, I say other country except America, why I'm making the difference there, just because America, you know, they still wake up now, the black, and they are wake up, of course, you know, but it's, they have been also through very hard life, because they always have been dominated, as everybody know. But of course, why I say that they have to wake up, because there are many now, so then they have to be together more and unite, and then be able, in this case, to help themselves and for the job they are doing, so they can get benefit out of that. So then that means if they create for their own, so that is not always you work under somebody, so that you also, you can work under yourself, or someone work under you. What is wrong with that? So that's why for me it's different with the black American and then other diaspora with many other countries, because to other country they are more weak because they are more less.
Yeah, but not to cut you too short too much,
yeah.
But I feel like still we have still the same responsibility as a people, you know what I mean, when it comes to that, you know what I mean. No matter where we are in the diaspora, I think we still have the same responsibility. Yes, America, the black Americans, they have struggled, they're fighting, they still for their rights to stand up, even, but that's not to say that we outsiders shouldn't do that, you know what I mean? Because we are still not together, you know what I mean? So it's easy for us, that's why we struggle. Up to now, we're struggling. For what reason? Is because why? We don't want to say, as you used to always say, let's unite and build some foundation. And if we don't have a foundation in any diaspora country, it's easy for them to destroy us, you know what I mean? How can our voice be heard, you know what I mean, if we don't create something at least to say that we have a foundation in this community that represents us. So at least that's a start. But if we don't have nothing, how can we?
Yeah, if I just sorry, also I stopped before we finishing. But there now is we have to understand each other, and then we still, it's a discussion and to, you know, give maybe opinion to each other, and we see how if it's any solution, how to solve it. But before we solve, we have to discuss about the problem first, and then maybe we look at it, and then if we can find out what is caused this problem. But I believe, you know, before you create something together and put something together, you self will have to be together first. But if you are scattering because of circumstances, because of reason, then you have to find out what will make you dividing yourself. And I believe even many people, they want to unite, so you must have a peace where to stay and unite, and before you can be unite yourself. What I mean by that is the possibility. The possibility is very important, because myself always I complain to us why we don't unite, but there is some countries you don't even have the chance to be united, because you don't even have the chance to be together, so that you can have an idea, discuss, and then build the association example, because of the circumstance of that country. Because I mean, sometimes we can ask ourselves too, like the whole nation of the African continent, why still this continent is have problems still in Africa, whole Africa, we have a problem to unite. And that one is a big amount of population. So that's why I give you the example, the difference between America and different with the other country. Because America, when you account all black which is in America, and you account all black which is in other countries like Sweden and so on, you know, you cannot compare it. So the more or less population you are, the more weak you are. Why you are weak? Because you always someone want to separate you so that you don't be together to be strong. Because that kind of defeat we have in Africa still now. Because always it's like in Africa, if there is a leaders, when you get one leader who want to maybe, you know, fight for his own country to develop, to have, you know, then that leader is the right one for that country. But what will happen all the time with that one? Will be eliminated. Yeah. Either he will be mixed with his own people who will against himself. Because those people, they don't see what that right leader have seen. Then end of the day, he will be called a dictator. So what will happen next? The idiot one, who don't even understand the right, left or right, is the one later on they will support to stand for that country. Because why? Through that one, they can get what they want from that country, the resource. Yeah, so then in this case, they support that one. Then of course, because through economical and all this, end of the day, the other, even the majority now, he will also come with that one. So why I give this example, I give you this example because, you know, to defeat these people who are planned already, you come to their country and they have been planning for themselves. They are not there for you. You are the ones who say, leave your country, you come to them. So now they are not planning for you either to build you or to form you or to support you. Right. Everything you have to support yourself. Exactly. Then the more less you are, the more weaker you are. It's true. And then always when you come on, you are under somebody, that means you come to somebody's country, you are under that person. Like as I say, you come like in Sweden and so on, or other Denmark or whatever, or England or whatever. So you are under them because you come in their country. So now to come inside the system, that what he forces you fight, you have to fight for. You have a lot of things to fight for, because before people can unite, they have to, stabilize. If you don't have anything where to live, your economy is fucked up because of reasons too. So you have a lot of things to fight first to fix that. When that is not fixed, when you are not when you are hungry, how you can stand, say you will fight? You need the food first. When you have no place to stay, how you say you will go there and you create in a association local, you don't have even your own house to stay first. Then you are running to fix that, where to stay, how to survive, what you will eat tomorrow. Then you have another headache then to say, now yeah, you can mobilize something. So you have to be independent in this case, if you can call it that, before you can form other nation. For me, I see it the main problem there. Because they are not ready to support you any shit.
I understand you.
So it's only you, and because of that now, that's frustration between you, that the amount of that black or the people is you have to form yourself, but when you are not stabilized. Because if you look at it, any country in Europe, is some black succeed, but one by one.
True.
So the succeed one think he's smart, think he's better. He might be he don't even
Want to be
he don't want to even deal with the other who are not succeed, because he think that one is his fault and all these kind of things.
True.
While we know it's a lot of problems against some black foreigners,
True.
which they cannot succeed. When it comes to the education side, if someone can block you somewhere. When it comes to the economical, someone can block you somewhere. So it's a lot of things which can block this, so that they cannot achieve their goal. So me, I see the main problem in there. So that's why then in this case now to unite, to be able to do something, that's another problem. But I know also still black, it's not easy for them to unite, and because unite, that means we be together, we do things together, honest to each other, not blackmailing each other and all these kind of things. Then you know we have a problem with that. I have tried that kind of things, meet different and trying to form group and all this, but it will just go for a while and then fucked up later on because of kind of circumstance between the group there. So then, you know, as I told you, is the question very good question, but the answer is not easy because of this kind of, it's complicated. But you can go on, like you see, as I told you, what you see, or if you have other things which we add, and to see how we can go further.
The most thing I do, the reason I do understand, which you have a point in so many angles that you said, you know what I mean? Yeah. But most of all, you know what I mean, I still believe it's important, you know what I mean, to form something in any diaspora that we are, because, you know what I mean, we often think it's like a war, you know what I mean? If we are in a territory where we know that there is an enemy, we still have to find a way still, you know what I mean? At least have that mindset to say that, you know what I mean? Let's form our own, you know what I mean? Because that's how we can be stronger together, you know what I mean? Because if we are divided, it's easy to defeat us. The enemy can defeat us easily, you know what I mean? And destroy us easily. Because that's what I see right now. Why we are always defeated, because we are divided, you know what I mean? We want to always go alone. We don't want to be together, you know what I mean? In culture strength, you know what I mean? To say like, let's build our own, let's form our own, you know what I mean? To help our own community. Because if we're trying to say, okay, we just have to go with them, that's how we can survive. We know in their society they always take their people first, you know what I mean? So, but who is going to take our people first if it's not we, you know what I mean? And our generation, we the young generation too are coming, you know what I mean? Who's going to open doors for us if it's not supposed to be for our own people who have to do that for us, you know what I mean? So we suffer a lot, and you know, Busa, at the end of the day, how many information you've been hearing of our people always destroyed and suffering under this nation because of why we don't have our people who is supporting us, no foundation, no organization, no nothing can fight for us. Even you sometimes used to feel sorry. But this is why, it's a sad thing that it's a thing to discuss about, you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely, I understood. But as you say, absolute, I understood you very well. And myself, I always wish, this uniting, I know it's very important for us, whether in broad, whether in our home, anywhere.
True.
To unite, that's the best, because that only can make you more stronger. But as I say, because we are always divided in a different angles and in a different situations, so then this is the problem. They always defeat us. So if it's someone, if you want to maybe to fight to collect to connect the people together, to put them together, you can see that person himself, end of the day, he will be defeated because of, he will never get the opportunity all which is needed.
True.
So this is another problem. Because, I mean, if we say now, okay, now because the meaning of unite, that to do things together which can help you in future. And that meaning you have to form like a group, maybe association or something. Start from there. Maybe later you build something out of that. Maybe later you can maybe help a lot of people through that.
True.
Through giving ideas to each other. Because everything is depend now that association what it's about. If we say it's about culture, maybe later you open a local which is different artists can do different things. Maybe some of they are good in art, maybe some of them are good in music, as we say, because of course the African always they are talented. Another do another thing, everyone what he's good to he do. Then when you have that center, which you can do this kind of different activities, you see, as you know, this is the foundation.
Sure.
But how about now, when you come to the society, to the government side, you have to think that you need this support most of the time. You need this support with economical support, because that's what is the second, things what you needed. First is the agreement, but then next is the economic. But when you turn to the society that you ask them for this help, they will never give it to you. They will turn you upside down and tell you this, that. So they bring a lot of these kind of things, bureaucracy, propaganda and all this just to block you. They will not say no, but they will send you upside down, left and right,
sure,
until you understood that they are not willing to help you.
Sure.
Then you see, you have another problem. Then how now you can build this according to your plan.
Right.
So, and from there, then in that case, if we say the society, the government cannot help you, when you bring this kind of idea that, you want to make people togetherness, which that also even it will be profit for the country itself. Because even if you build a nation and in a country, and this nation is doing something, because you will do something, you will do a job, which after that you pay taxes, because I know most of the time that what is many countries they are thinking about. Then that money coming from this association or this company, or if you open that maybe, or business, so still the money tax you pay will go back to the country. But when self in that country himself don't care about that little money, because he's seeing even a big money, but he's seeing your future. That's what he's trying to block. That's why you don't, if you need that money, then then you have a problem in that case, because then you will not get what you needed.
But then
and then because of but because of that they are not willing for your future.
Exactly.
So then in this case, the next chances or next step, like plan A doesn't work, now you're thinking plan B. Plan B, what is to be, according to my own opinion thinking, so is that then how about we ourselves, if we say it's about economy, if everyone can take something out,
exactly,
and we collect that, maybe we open in an account, so we put that money there even in 1 year time, because we have our own plan, then we take that money now, example, we rent our own local, and then we see what we do. That one, I laugh. That one is